In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a body soap that is suitable for most skin type, and the soap is made from African black soap. This is what it looks like. I'm going to be unwrapping it very soon. So if you would love to watch this kind of video, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below. It's the red button below on your screen. Consider clicking on it, and also don't forget to hit the like button if you're already a subscriber. So your African black soap has antibacterial properties that helps you to get rid of pimples, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, eczema, razor bump and all that. It helps your skin to look soft and beautiful. It helps you to maintain your natural color. So if you would love to watch this video, stay tuned till the end. I'm going to show you how to make a mixture with this black soap that will be suitable for your skin. Don't be scared. The mixture and the ingredients I'll be including in this soap are natural ingredients that is suitable for most kind of skin types. And the reason why I made this soap is because while growing up, my grandmom used to use this original black soap on us, and our skin was so beautiful and radiant looking. Growing up, I decided to buy the modified version of black soap because this natural one does not have a pleasant smell. I decided to buy the modified version of black soap, and I noticed that I reacted to it. It makes my skin look itchy and reddish. So I decided to buy the original one like my grandmom used to use for us when we were young. I decided to buy it and make my own mixture using the things I'm sure of. So sit back and enjoy this video.